All right, guys, so we've already rounded 155 to the nearest 10. Now we're going to take the same number of 155 and we're going to round 155 to the nearest 100, okay? We're going to round it to the nearest 100. Ask yourself from the beginning, okay? What place value is being rounded, which means I need to first identify the number that is going to be rounded. I'm rounding 155 to the nearest 100, which means that 1 is the number that we're going to round. That's first, okay? Second, I need to ask myself which place value is going to tell the 1 in the hundreds place what to do. And remember what I said. The number behind it is going to tell the number in front of it what to do. So that means the 5 in the tens place is going to tell the 1 in the ones place. It's either going to say, hey, you need to go up, or it's going to say, hey, you need to go down or stay the same, right? So that's what we're going to do. Also, now that I know I'm rounding to the hundreds place, I need to find my halfway point, which will be half of 100 to get to the next 100, okay? So if I'm starting out at 155, how many total hundreds can I get out of 155? How many total? I have 100, 5 tens, and 5 ones. How many total hundreds can I get out of that? Right, 1. So that means I only have 100. So I'm going to put 100 there. I only have 100, which means if I start at 100, my goal is to attempt to round it to what? 200, okay? And the halfway point between 100 and 200 is pretty much what I have. The 100 and the 5 tens. The 100 and the 5 tens is going to be 150 because 50 is half of 100, right? Do you agree with that? Okay, 50 is half of 100. So I have 155. I can only make, once I decompose the number of 155, I can only make 100 out of the total 155, okay? I can only make that 1. So I have the 100, so I'm either going to keep it at 100 or I'm going to round it up to 200. The number that we have on the number line is probably about right there, and it's 155. Remember what I said. If it's above the halfway point, you're going to go up. If it's below the halfway point, you're going to round down or stay the same. So 5 or more raise the score, 4 or less let it rest, okay? Which means you're going to round down. So because this number here is above my halfway point, 155 is going to round up to what? 200. Good. Because it's above the halfway point. So there you go. So 155 rounded to the nearest 100 is 200.